Understanding mockup in English. Hello everyone. Today, we'll dive into the phrase mockup. You might have come across it in different contexts, and we're here to break it down for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it. A mockup is a model or replica of an object or a system, used for instructional or experimental purposes. It's often a full-size design that showcases the look or functionality of a product, but it doesn't always function as the final product would. For example, imagine a new mobile phone design. Before it's manufactured, designers might create a physical mock-up of it. This would show what the phone looks like, but you can't actually call or text with it. 1. Design. In graphic and web design, a mock-up is a full-size model of a design or device. Designers use it to show clients how the final product will look. 2. Architecture. In architecture, a mock-up might be a scale or full-size model of a building or structure, used to show the final appearance. 3. Manufacturing. Manufacturers might use a mock-up to visualize the final product. It won't work, but it gives everyone a sense of what's being created. 4. Digital apps. In software development, a mock-up is a visual way to represent functionality. It shows what the software will look like without having any working parts. These terms are often confused, but they serve different purposes. 1. Wireframe. A wireframe is a basic, visual representation of the layout of a website or app. Think of it as the blueprint. 2. Prototype. A prototype is an early sample or model of a product that works, but might not have all the final functionalities. 3. Mockup. As we've discussed, a mockup is a static model. It looks like the final product but doesn't work like it. It's essential to remember that a mockup is about appearance, a prototype is about functionality, and a wireframe is about structure. We hope that clears things up. The next time you hear or see the term mockup, you'll know exactly what it means and how it's different from related terms like prototypes and wireframes. Remember, language is all about understanding and context, and you're doing great by taking steps to learn more each day. Keep it up!